Hi everyone, welcome to another video of this smart tutoring. In this video, we are discussing the solved sample paper of CBSE Class 10 Science Term 1 examination, which will be conducted on 2nd December 2021. Sample question paper, Science with the subject code 086. The time for answering is 90 minutes. The general instructions are: the question paper contains 3 sections A, B, C. Section A has 24 questions and you have to attempt only 20 questions. Section B has 24 questions. Again, you have to attempt any 20 questions. And section C has 12 questions and you have to attempt only 10 questions. All questions carry equal marks and there is no negative marking. Section A, attempt any 20 questions. First one, Rima took 5 ml of lead nitrate solution in a beaker and added approximately 4 ml of potassium iodide solution to it. What would she observe? Option A, the solution turned red. B, yellow precipitate was formed. C, white precipitate was formed. D, reaction mixture became hot. Here the correct answer is option B, yellow precipitate was formed. Question number 2, identify gas A in the following experiment. Here, zinc granules and dilute sulfuric acid is taken in a test tube and then bubbles of gas A is formed and this gas is allowed to pass through a delivery tube and a lighted candle is brought near the opening of the delivery tube and the gas is burned with a pop sound. Then option A, nitrogen, B, hydrogen, C, oxygen, D, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option B, hydrogen. Question number 3. Metals when react with dilute hydrochloric acid gives metal salt and gas. Which of the following 2 combinations are correct? Copper when react with dilute hydrochloric acid, gas is evolved. Second one, iron also gas evolved. Third one, magnesium not evolved. Zinc also evolved. Option A, 1 and 2, B, 1 and 4, C, 2 and 3, D, 2 and 4. Here the correct answer is option D, 2 and 4. Question number 4, which of the following correctly represents a balanced chemical equation? Here the correct one is option B, that is 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. This is the correct balanced equation. Question number 5. The graph given below depicts a neutralization reaction, that is acid plus alkali gives salt plus water. The pH of a solution changes as we add excess of acid to an alkali. Which letter denotes area of the graph where both acid and salt are present? Here the correct answer is option D, that is the area denoted by the letter D. Sixth one, in the reaction of iron with the copper sulfate solution, which option in the given table correctly represents the substance oxidized and the reducing agent? Here the correct option is option A, iron and iron. Iron is the substance oxidized and also iron is the reducing agent. Seventh question, the chemical reaction between copper and oxygen can be categorized as option A, displacement reaction, B, decomposition reaction, C, combination reaction, D, double displacement reaction. The answer is option C, combination reaction. Question number 8. Which of the given options correctly represents the parent acid and base of calcium carbonate? Here the correct answer is option B, H2CO3, and the parent base is CaOH twice. Question number 9. How will you protect yourself from heat generated while diluting a concentrated acid? A, by adding acid to water with the constant stirring, by adding water to acid with the constant stirring, by adding water to acid followed by base, by adding a base to acid with the constant stirring. Here the correct answer is option A, by adding acid to water with the constant stirring. Question number 10. Why is it important to balance a skeletal chemical equation? Option A, to verify law of conservation of energy, to verify the law of conservation of proportion, to verify the law of conservation of mass, to verify the law of conservation of momentum. Here the correct answer is option C, to verify the law of conservation of mass. Question number 11. Carefully study the diagram of the human respiratory system with the labels A, B, C and D. Select the option which gives correct identification and main function and characteristic. Here the correct answer is option C, alveoli, tin-walled sac-like structure for exchange of gases. Question number 12. Identify the option that indicates the correct enzyme that is secreted in location A, B and C. Here the correct answer is option B, amylase, pepsin and trypsin. Question number 13. Opening and closing of stomatal pore depends on option A, atmospheric temperature, B, oxygen concentration around stomata, C, carbon dioxide concentration around stomata, D, water content in the God cells. Here the answer is option D, water content in the God cells. Question number 14. The figure given below shows a schematic plan of blood circulation in humans with the labels 1 to 4. Identify the correct label with its function. Here the correct one is option D, fourth one, that is vena cava takes blood from body parts to right auricle. Question number 15. Identify the phase of circulation which is represented in the diagram of heart given below. Arrows indicate contraction of the chambers shown. Here the correct answer is option B. Blood is transferred to lungs for oxygenation and is pumped to various organs simultaneously. Question number 16. Observe the diagram of human digestive system. Match the labeling referred in column 1 and correlate with the function in column 2. Column 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Column 2, A. The length of this depends on food the organism eats. B. Initial phase of starch digestion. C. Increases the efficiency of lipase enzyme action. D. This is the site of complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Here the correct option is option B, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Number 17. Which of the following mirror is used by dentist to examine a small cavity in a patient's teeth? Option A, convex mirror, B, plane mirror, C, concave mirror, D, any spherical mirror. Answer is option C, concave mirror. Question number 18. Which diagram shows image formation of an object on a screen by a converging lens? Here the correct answer is option C. The diagram C represents the image formation of an object on a screen by a converging lens. Question number 19. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it? Here the correct answer is option A, concave mirror as well as convex lens. Question number 20. Consider these indices of refraction: glass 1.52, air 1.0003, water 1.333. Based on the refractive indices of three materials, arrange the speed of light through them in decreasing order. Here the correct option is option C. The speed of light in air greater than the speed of light in water greater than the speed of light in glass. Question number 21. If a beam of red light and a beam of violet light are incident at the same angle on the inclined surface of a prism from air medium and produces angles of refraction R and V respectively, which of the following is correct? Here the correct option is option D, R less than V. Question number 22. Examine the above figure and state which of the following option is correct. One small box in the figure is equal to 1 centimeter. Here the correct option is option B. The mirror has a focal length of -3 and will produce an image of magnification -1. Question number 23. The angle of incidence from air to glass at the point O on the hemispherical glass slab is 45 degree, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Here the answer is option B, 0 degree. Question number 24. A prism ABC with BC as base is placed in different orientations. A narrow beam of white light is incident on the prism as shown in below figure. In which of the following diagrams, after dispersion, the third color from the top of the spectrum corresponds to the color of the sky? Here the answer is option B, 2. After dispersion from a prism, the blue part of white light will be towards the base of the prism. Section A or 24 questions are completed. Then section B and C will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching.